You will be amazed by this 2019 Hyundai Santa Fe. This vehicle is an outstanding buy with fewer than 90,000 miles on the odometer. Here's a stylish, family-friendly Hyundai Santa Fe. With bold, modern looks, standard infotainment, and the latest safety features. This spacious, versatile midsize crossover infuses every drive with comfort and confidence. The following are some of this vehicle's highlighted options: head-up display, panoramic roof, keyless entry, backup camera, satellite radio, lane keeping assist, keyless start, premium sound system, fog lamps, 4-cylinder engine. Make getting from point A to point B a thing of beauty in this refined and capable Santa Fe. Come in for a fun and easy test drive. Our team will make it the best part of your day.